folks, Barry here with my pal Rocky. We're out by the Whispering Falls today, and we've got something special. But first, a question for you.
What do you call a sad strawberry?
I don't know, Barry. What do you call a sad strawberry?
A blueberry. Get it? You know, Rocky, this beef is a lot like my jokes.
How's that, Barry?
So cheesy.
All right, the star of the show is ready for its blanket. You know what this pastry is going to be when we're done?
Delicious?
No, it's going to be on a roll.
Perfect. Not bad, old man. Not bad at all.
Well, that's all from us. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and try not to get spotted. See you next time.